we'll guide you through how to use the Dropbox app for macOS. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox app on your Mac. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the Dropbox website. Once the app is open, sign in with your Dropbox account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. Once logged in, you'll see the Dropbox icon in your menu bar at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to access a quick menu for managing your files. To add files to Dropbox, simply drag and drop them into the Dropbox folder in Finder. This folder is automatically created during installation and syncs with your online Dropbox account. You can also create new folders and organize your files as you like. To share files, right-click on a file or folder in the Dropbox folder and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, add a message if you like, and click Share. To access your Dropbox settings, click on the Dropbox icon in the menu bar, then click on your profile picture or initials and select Preferences. Here, you can manage your account settings, sync options, and notifications. If you want to free up space on your Mac, you can use the Smart Sync feature. Right-click on a file or folder, select Smart Sync, and choose Online Only. This keeps your files in the cloud and accessible without taking up local storage space. Remember, you can always access your files from any device by logging into your Dropbox account on the web. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.